Hi, I'm Anne Aulsebrook. I'm from the University of Melbourne, and my FameLab presentation is called Sleeping Under Streetlights. Have you ever tried to sleep with the lights on? Maybe you were on a brightly lit aeroplane, or your partner was reading in bed. If so, you've probably experienced the impact of light on sleep. Light suppresses melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep during darkness. Until around 100 years ago, we only experienced bright light during the day, but all of that changed with the electric light. Electric lights aren't just inside our homes. They light up our streets, our parks, even our forests and oceans. You can see these lights from the International Space Station. And humans aren't the only ones trying to sleep with all these lights on. Many animals sleep at night, but they can't block out streetlights with curtains the way that we can. And for these animals, losing sleep could cause huge problems for behaviour, health, and development. So, do streetlights keep urban animals awake? That is my research question. My colleagues and I have been studying how light at night affects urban birds, including black swans, pigeons, and magpies. We set up lights in the lab and in a wildlife sanctuary, and we compared how birds slept when the lights were on to when the lights were off. Sounds really simple, right? I wish. To explain, here is a photo of my partner taken when he was listening to me rehearse the speech for the 5th time. And I would like you to decide, is he asleep or awake? He is awake, right? But imagine if he could sleep while sitting upright with his eyes open. That's how some animals sleep. Some birds can even sleep while flying. So to measure sleep, we need to use a tiny device to record brain activity. And if you have never tried to attach an electronic device to a swan's head, release the swan, then get the device back undamaged, it is exactly as difficult as it sounds, which is just one reason why we know surprisingly little about how wild animals sleep. It's also why I lost so much sleep during my PhD. If streetlights are bad for sleep, I also want to offer some solutions. Melatonin is most affected by blue wavelengths of light. So if we can change our lights to remove those wavelengths, that could benefit sleep, not just for birds, but also for humans and other species. And if that doesn't work, well, unlike some of our global problems, this is a problem we can solve with the flick of a switch. If we restrict our lights to where we actually need them, then I think we can all sleep easier. Thank you.